Alright guys, today this is the second video from the work that I did today. In this one we have a boat, tracker boat, aluminum. We're doing an interior and an exterior, and for the interior we did everything that we normally do except for extract the carpets and the floor. Customer opted not to have that done. They just wanted it vacuumed. So anyways, for the exterior I have a new product that I'm trying. I'm not sponsored by them, but it's a fellow veteran owned company, so I thought I would give it a shot and see how the product does, and watch the video here and find out. I think you'll be really surprised. But anyways, here's the laps from that. All right, guys, now that you've seen, just the vacuuming and then the outside, wash of the boat, let me show you another product here real quick, because I'm not going to be able to get any GoPro footage of me applying or using it because it's just too windy today. As you've probably seen, the tripod fell over a few times. It's like 30-mile-an-hour winds today. So, but I want to talk about this product right here, and let me flip you around and show you it. I came across this product. It's called Boat Juice. It's exterior. As you can see, it says it's a ceramic sealant and a water spot remover, which is great because this is a black boat and it has a lot of water spots on it. Now, this product here is a veteran-owned company, so I kind of want to see how it works, but let me take you around the boat and just show you the water spots beforehand, and then when I'm done, I'll show you the afters. Just a note, it's going to be very, very windy, a lot of wind noise, so you might want to lower your volume because it's, like I said, it's like 30-mile-an-hour winds. So let me show you here. See all these water spots? You can see it better on this side. So like I said, let me put this product on. I'm not going to be able to get GoPro footage because I know for a fact it's going to tip over like it did 3 or 4 other times already. So yeah, I'll bring you back around when I'm done. Hey guys, I'm back again. Like I said, sorry for the wind noise, but I had to bring it back just to show you this product. I am blown away by it. This is the best product I have used for water spots on boats ever. I'm a big Meguiars fan, and even some of my Meguiars stuff doesn't do as good of a job as this. Let me flip you around and just do a little demo of it. I mean, I love this product now, and from now on, I'm gonna continue to support them. And just because they're fellow veterans like myself. So let me flip you around and show you how easy this product is and why I love it. All right, so you can see the difference from here to here. Now, all you do with this product is just spray it on and wipe it off. So let's give it a little bit of time. I mean, you do have to buff it just a little bit with the towel, but let's let it just sit for a little bit. Okay, it just takes the water spots right out. Sorry about the shaky camera, but doing this one-handed kind of sucks. And like I said, if I would have used my GoPro, it would have fell over already. But now, look how easy that was. Look how easy that was. I really, really like this product. So shout out to Boat Juice. I'm going to be ordering more from you guys. All right, I'm going to continue on doing this, and then when I'm all done, then I'll bring it back around. And you can see just how good that product works. It is an excellent product, and like I said before, I'm definitely going to be ordering more from them. I really, really liked it. Anyways, check this boat out. It is going to be currently up for sale. The owners are downsizing a little bit, so yeah, be sure to check for it on Marketplace or on Facebook. It should be up fairly soon. But anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned Saturday, I think, or Friday. I don't know. Probably, I got a detail on Friday, but I'm probably not going to have time to film it and stuff. It's usually, the one I'm doing now, it's one of my yearly customers, so it's at a really kind of a cramped location where there's not a lot of space. So I probably won't do a video on that. But Saturday I'll probably do a video on the concrete staining I got going on in Nakusa around that fire pit and the repair of it. But anyways, stay tuned and make sure you hit that subscribe button, because on my analytics, literally like 0.3% of people who watch my videos are subscribed. So it would help me gain, you know, followers and whatever, but eventually I want to get a little bit better with it. But like I said, yeah, just make sure you subscribe. I'm always going to be uploading some videos here. After this next job, I got a pretty decent size landscaping job that I'm doing to finish up the year. So see you in the next one.